Kannur special prawns kannappam. Heat 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in a pan. Add 2 finely chopped onions and saute until they turn translucent. Next, add 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 crushed garlic bulb, 4 finely chopped green chilies, and 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Stir well. Now, add 1 finely chopped tomato, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Saute until the raw smell of the spices disappears. Add half a kilogram of chopped prawns. Mix well and saute for a few more minutes. Your prawn masala is now ready. To make the batter, take 1 cup of Jeerakasala rice, half a grated coconut, and salt as required. Blend everything into a smooth consistency. Grease an idli mold and pour in the batter. Place a spoonful of prawn masala in the center of each mold. Steam for 15 minutes until cooked to perfection. And there you have it, Kannur Prawns Kannappam.